Hello everyone, journalers, bookmakers, artists, bookbinders, hand makers. For the Sweetest Little Journals free tutorial coming up, I made this supply list and that has been posted, and it's for these adorable little handmade journals. So the supply list is up, and these I wanted to for anyone interested, I wanted to let you know what will be in the kit, and it's at least 136 pieces by my best count. It's so much goodness and so much fun that I wanted to show you. So for supplies, a new tape runner, permanent, some old vintage embroidery floss for binding. Basically the only thing you're going to need is possibly a big needle, like a tapestry needle, and maybe some pliers, and it's easy peasy. It's only a few stitches to put the journal together. So supplies. And then yummy things like this. This is one kit that I'm showing you, and there will be 4 in this series. And then after that, it will be a different 4 of different things. They're not identical, but they're very, very similar to what I showed in the supply video. So this button card could be a page, and here's just some pretty art papers, book pages. And then some small things for embellishing, little words, tags, tickets, stamps, bits, little bits. Oh, fun. There's all kinds of fun stuff. A tiny little book page, a book spine piece, old photo. This is some snippet roll. There's some fun little sayings, quotes to come apart and use. Art papers, vintagey, shabby book pages from old books, and map pages, paint swatches. So it's a super fun kit, I think. Sorry, this is also some snippet roll. Paper snippet roll. The little pieces are getting away from me. Here's a bunch of, this is still in this one kit. A whole lot of fabrics and ribbons and torn strips and velvet and muslin and tiny prints of torn fabric, teeny tiny bits of lace, stripes, checks, flowers, nice contrast statement bits. And then here's a pile of yummy deliciousness for pages and elements, whatever you want it to be. Quilt pieces, vintage fabrics, vintage blanket binding, muslin with black gesso, old lace, ready to be pages or whatever you would like it to be. More old lace, fabric, lots of soft gauzy, linen-y, painterly fabrics. Old linens with adorable embroidery. Some of that amazing hand tatting on that fabulous fabric. Part of the baby dress with tiny, adorable crochet and embroidery, wonderful nubby fabric, linen, a doily to take apart and do whatever you want, some cool textured fiber, just some beautiful linens pieces, and then some pieces for covers. So here's drop cloth, and then here's some really great kind of light canvas. So there's that pile, and I'm going through it fast. I showed it all in detail in the supplies video, but there are 4 kits that have over 136 pieces. So a handmade tassel, some of the yummy tiny prints, floral from Millinery, floral ribbon, little quilt swatches, quilt pieces, old quilt bits, a neat label out of clothing, lace, fabric snippet roll, one of these neat bundles that I put together. I call it a merit badge, and it's just layers of yumminess. Here's another little tiny one, and then the bag that all of this yumminess will go into. So I will post this for anyone who's interested in knowing what, oh, I forgot to show this. More cool clothing tags, selvage colorways, the little brass fasteners, tiny crochet rows, more just beautiful little bits, lace, ribbon, fabric, cute little labels. And again, this will be in the first 4. This series of 4 kits, a sleeve or a shirt buttonhole. How cute. Old buttons, little jewels, those little tabs for putting on the, so vintage little office tab, file tab. And then this just for fun, because why not? And that is the kit. Excuse my hands. Here and here and here and here and this and this for the Sweetest Little Journals. Free tutorial coming right up very soon. Sorry, I'm often forgetting to be sure the item is in the camera frame. And that's it. And I just wanted to show that in case anyone was interested. So I will post this with the price. I'm going to list them on my Etsy shop because that'll be the easiest, safest way to sell and collect. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you are getting excited to make the Sweetest Little Journal.